The birds. At dawn of the new year, 2024, the chirping birds awoke me as before. A pale light glowed, a morning soft and bright, seagulls dancing, feathers pure and white. From Côte de Nacre they soared into the sky, above the Seine. An art for every eye. They chased and twirled, a splendid airy flight, gliding, spinning in the morning light. Before my window, graceful in their play, the seagulls free adorned the break of day. And in their flight, a thought began to rise. Birds born in a cage think flying is an illness.